If him lose the first fight, you better start fret. As soon as him recover, you and your crew dead. Whatever you do, don't shoot after him.
Why not?
Don't worry yourself, man. Who can hear a go blood clot feel?
It's as if Plastic Man
Was a villain? Yeah, dog, but how you know that?
Corey slapped him with a Hadouken and he returned it with interest. We sure say I know a dumb fruity in yam. A gum bazooka ever make contact with your sternum yet?
Hell no.
You don't feel good. If you look pan in too tough, he mash you up. If you ramp with none of your friend them, he mash you up. If you mash him up, he mash you up. So him no want for me bounty. Sus Christ.
What's wrong?
He just a do it feel over a game. How the Ross accidentally win one fight on purpose. He fling back his hand and he said, Gum.
Gum what?
Dad, me just wake. You think he take boy if he digest 1 ton of food with 1 belch?
He ain't all that.
What?
If you ever see Zorro Compass, congrats bro. You just find the blood clot One Piece.
Where am I go with 3 cutlass? Ref!
Who no want to know how he use 3 cutlasses, but me want to know how he get charged for 1 DUI and a walk X in my skate.
You only cutlass with your teeth, jankro. How chunk for your mouth be?
Bono. All if he name the map fruit, he still would have end up last.
The more damage him take, and the worse it a go be for you when he get up. When me see lucky cutlass in 90, me do think say a gimmick sting.
What happened?
Dog, me did a fuck around, bro. Me no business how much berry they want give me, bro. Where the Ross me a do ya? Luffy have to do a pint, and Zoro just turn that in a bully beef.
So one big man can't tell him left from the right, and now me I go pay price.
We pull up to fight the straw hats me only here when Tiny Curly eyebrow one say.
Watch it, me kill him with style. Foot. Foot.
And the good book says, when a dinner time black leg Sanji no play. You no need gas free cook niggas. Just diable champagne. If you can't and the heat come out, I blood clot kitchen.
One time I see fling jerk season and somebody I am blinded. No way.
You don't believe me, ask Zoro. Corey accidentally slapped Nami, now we have a desert clock stuck up in him. If he ever kick me one more time, I say to a mucker's body, yeah.
Sir, sit your ass down. Thank you.
A vibranium they use making suit me just afraid to prove it.
So what's his power?
Him have a domain expansion we name Hypnotic Eyebrows. How we might try impress with that suit then?
Nigga the hose.
You're right. I might slap in your blood.
Luffy are the captain, but a Nami run things. Straw Hat pirates, then name people know them cause them tough. I could have bodies or bounties, them stacking berries up.
Who she thinks that she a fool? Mr. Krabs, me know say you that jankro. Then me see when she summon one, she do it from heaven.
That's cap.
I swear.
She tell Corey saying broke and paparazzi.
No.
Man, fi just ball then go in yard, man, sir.
You did know say she can damage Luffy with her normal thump them?
No.
Me neither.
Legend say every time she summon lightning, she charge God 5 bills. Question. If she beat up her own crew, where the bumper rascal you think she a go do to me?
I went since the navigator start move so. Bitches.
Ketchipri, me know say she unlock developer settings pan her tick. She not go help fight, but best believe say she a go collect a bounty here. Maybe you can beat her up, but try go ban fi ban with her no.
Nico Robin near me flower fruit where obviously have something to do with flowers though.
Right.
Wrong. When me ask her to put me in a one headlock.
Nigga what?
Say she there go, me ne ref. She gang me and beat me up by herself.
By herself?
You deaf? She cross her hand them. No Corey shape like one spiral. When me see she make me body start grow yaya and ears, I see a place me shit up myself.
When you're in our vicinity, make sure say you watch your mouth cause she can box down your clot from any angle.
She ain't all that.
What?
Hey, what you... Ow!
She did have 74 million berries on her head at 8 years old. You're pussy. And then she grow wings and fly away, bro.
That's cat.
That broke me the green tree for life. Them tell me say only hands she have. Then you know could elaborate junk.
Sir, sit your ass down. Thank you.
You think you take boy or girl for just a pop off hands like Legos? Oh, so our whole body just have one DLC expansion pack now. Where the ass me a do, yeah. The amount of limbs when me did a grow, it come like say me did near me devil fruit.
Love a life, diamonds and pearls, drugs, Molly and perks, family island girl. Come and
Can you lock in?
Sorry.
Damn!
Him a want talking goat kid in a one bucket hat?
Yo, Red.
Whatever you do, don't make your little goat kid pop that third Mali there. Please. Him a one nightmare. It's as if crafty consuming goat kid fruit. Yeah, but how you know that? You didn't know say little goat kid a one doctor?
No.
Me neither. He come and talk about say a true he knows blue make Santa fire him. Hombre, look pan Rudolph. Santa fire you because you is a pill popping crash out junkie. And that of it tell people them.
Chopper's cute though.
Stop calling him Chopper like say him a one cute little pet. A big man that. And he named Tony. He did cute at first. And then we see Tony in a one Sasquatch mega side. Yo, me dis him up wicked way there. I know me have wolf marks for my soul.
But he had a sad backstory.
I know Corey and him picnic them are gonna have a sad fatherless backstory as well. You think it take boy if he pop so much Mali and not dead? Yeah, ask me if Usopp Freddy.
Well, is he?
Yeah. Him and Pinocchio related, but just can't prove it. What you mean by he have 10,000 man in a crew? Yo, Mark! You didn't know say I my captain for straw at them?
Nope.
Did he that? Him a one nightmare. It's as if
Andrew's
Andrew knows
nose
this
was
skinnier.
skinnier.
Yeah, dog, but how you know that?
So what is Usopp's power?
Ultra Instinct Pro Max level capping.
He ain't all that.
What? Hey, what you? He can slap you right between your eye then with one ice him in from miles away here. A sniper king me a go fight?
Yup.
Where the ass me a do? Yeah! Corey walk past him and end up catch what sight is.
No way.
Sing done with the fighting, master. He's just a liar. Him a one liar we have bomber clot aim lock. Me the things you running round way. And he just start snipe with from a different planet. And then if I were to my mind say, Usopp really want pussy clot idiot, you know?
He's still human.
Him have a black pine fridge in his chest.
Sir, sit your ass down. Thank you.
You didn't know saying can only take damage from back way?
No.
But no. Out of nowhere, he just start make things. And with the fucking didn't have the Minecraft fruit. In just a few nuts and bolts away from being a rascal Autobot here.
He ain't all that.
What? Hey, what you? Frankie Davis in a whack bob with a box of blood clot scraps. It is a nightmare. It's as if Johnny Bravo had Tony Stark money. Yeah, dog, but how you know that? Then me see him grow 2 more legs until you know one back way Sagittarius.
That's cap.
I swear to God. If you see Frankie Pants anyway, congrats on the tall hectic journey, dog. You just find the blood clot one piece. Me really get beat up by one cyborg Johnny Bravo in a brief. Me must have shit in a church and don't know to pussy killer. The jam crab is sickest afro me ever seen in my life.
He was dead for 50 years.
Well, black clearly no crack. Me did go say me kicking him body, bono, but he have none.
What the fuck?
He 9 feet tall. He come like say when height did I give him bumbo class sharing. He start playing violin and that I last thing me remember. When he chop me, he damage no upload till later. He can run per water too.
Yup.
When the raspy do yeah. When the bomb, you all we can respawn Jankro. My chest. 1 second he might try to see somebody draws. And the next second the top half a Corey face missing. Me know say we dey on the grand line hungry. But when me see one walking, talking, singing, dancing skeleton, shit just start automatically run down my foot.
Is Brooke dead or alive?
Me know. Yes.
The book of Jinbei states, drip ever bustle him no dress like clown. If you step too close, you might blood clot drown. Miss Shirley.
Amen, Pastor.
Amen.
Oh, Jesus.
The first time I see Jimbe, me thinking that gonna give me 3 wishes. Him is a nightmare. It's as if
Ip Man was a smurf.
Yeah, but how you know that? First me the inner water, and then the water end up in a me.
Hey!
And then he backs down Corey with one tsunami.
That's cat.
I swear. Somebody ever beat you up from inside out? But no.
Hell no.
You don't feel good.
He ain't all that.
What?
Hey, what you?
He told me charging him on Thailand. You're pussy wall.
You think it take boy if he steer down Big Mama? He might only somebody who ever drift his sonny. Ah, bitches. Did he know so we are 70% water?
No.
Did he that? You don't know what Jam could do, but my organs they just start do the no linger.